On the 2nd of November 2017. Hope you all are doing well wherever it is that you are. अब वक्त हुआ है हमारे लीगल सेगमेंट का. एज यू ऑल नो हर ट्यूसडे और थर्सडे को पेश किया जाता है आपके लिए ये बहुत ही इंफॉर्मेटिव लीगल सेगमेंट जिसमें हम आपके साथ शेयर करते हैं यूजफुल लीगल information. This segment is sponsored by Khalik Law Firm and attorney Bilal Khalik is here with us in person. Thank you so much for being here, Bilal Sahab. How are you doing today?
I'm doing very well, Amreen. और आप कैसी हैं?
मैं भी अच्छी हूँ. सुनने वालों को हम बताते चले कि although we discuss the topic in detail, we don't take your questions on air. However, the attorney does offer free consultation for all financial listeners. All you have to do is call 214-453-2500 or you can log on to boldlegal.com to get more information about their full service law firm. They can handle everything from immigration, bankruptcy, civil litigation, pretty much any kind of a legal bind that you may be in, they can assist you, including bonds as well. So Bilal साहब ये बताइए कि आज हम किस टॉपिक पर रोशनी डालेंगे?
देखिए, आज मेरा ये ख्याल था कि थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट करते हैं. हमने इमिग्रेशन की काफ़ी बातें की हैं. आज मैं चाह रहा था कि वी टॉक अबाउट लिटिगेशन, जो लॉसूट होता है दो पार्टनर्स के बीच में.
Okay, so you were talking about a business
पार्टनर.
Okay.
Right. ऐसा होता है कि whenever you start a partnership, the very first thing you should do is get a partnership agreement in writing. देखिए, होता क्या है कि जब लोग excited होते हैं, let's say you're bringing somebody to the table, somebody else is bringing their skills to the table, because माहौल बहुत अच्छा होता है उस वक्त ना, you don't really ask the tough questions. The tough
and you
questions
think you get
are
along so well that there won't be any problems.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And you're all excited, and so I always advise my clients that let me be the bad guy. Let me get you in one room and have you sit down and let's ask the tough questions. Easy questions तो आपने profit हुआ है, distribute कैसे करना है, I'm sure you have that figured out. अगर loss हुआ है और पैसे किसी के निकलने हैं तो क्या होगा? अगर और कोई कर्जा लेना है आपने तो कौन उसको को साइन करेगा? राइट? और अगर आपने कोई नया पार्टनर ऐड करना है उसका क्या असूल होना चाहिए? इम्पोर्टेंट ये इसलिए है क्योंकि अगर आप ये सब चीज़ें नहीं लिखेंगे ना अपने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में तो कुछ रूल्स हैं बाय डिफॉल्ट.
Would you say because within our community, a lot of the time it's families that are involved. So would you say to have such a contract even if you're going into business with your brother or your cousin?
I would highly recommend that. And you know, the best excuse to kind of segue into that conversation is say कि देखिए जी, let's go to an attorney so we can formalize the corporation and let the attorney start the conversation कि by the way, where's your partnership agreement?
तो कहेंगे नहीं जी, हम तो भाई हैं, हमें क्या ज़रूरत?
कोई बात नहीं. Let's write it down because कल को देखिए ऐसा
भी आप सिर्फ इसलिए कह रहे हैं क्योंकि आपको एक्स्ट्रा पैसे चाहिए होंगे.
वो तो चाहिए होंगे और वो पता है आपको by hook or by crook हम निकलवा लेंगे. So let's get some benefit out of that.
Right.
होता क्या है कि sometimes you know one person actually can be accused of a crime, one person can get deported, or one person can pass away, and all of a sudden you know you're in partnership with that person's extended family.
Right.
और उसमें complications काफ़ी हो जाती हैं. और अगर कोई dispute होता है तो then there is a process to resolve it. I'll share an example with you. I actually have a client who has a car dealership.
Okay.
He has a dispute with one of his employees. उसने ये employee से कहा था कि तुम अगर इतनी गाड़ियाँ बेचोगे तो eventually मैं तुम्हें partner बना लूँगा. Just as an incentive. So he had a commission and some sort of a stock in the company. कि if you make this sale, you'll become a 10% partner.
Okay.
वो sale achieve हो गई. They started a conversation and said, okay, now I'm your partner. And so my client said, yes, you know, you're my partner. Let's sit down and make a contract. लेकिन वो contract कभी बना नहीं. One fine day, my client comes to his lot, and he had 90 cars on his lot, and 72 are gone.
Okay.
सिर्फ वहाँ पे जो है ना 18 गाड़ियाँ रह गई हैं. So he's like, oh my God, where all my cars go? So he calls the police, you know, and the police say, okay, well, you know, if it's a robbery, 72 cars in one night is a big time robbery.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, वो चाबियाँ कहाँ थी? Then he realized कि जो उसका जो employee था, जिससे उसका partnership का dispute भी था, उसके पास गाड़ियों की चाबी थी. तो he helped himself. He said कि
तुम partner तो नहीं था.
Verbally उसने कह दिया था कि तुम्हें मैं partner बना लूँगा.
लेकिन बनाया नहीं था. भी
कुछ contract नहीं था. And because there was a dispute, this particular employee/partner helped himself and took the cars away. So the first thing is कि अगर कोई partnership dispute होता है, don't help yourself with the consequences. बहुत से पार्टनर से कहते हैं कि ठीक है जी, मैंने आपका ये जब्त कर लिया, मैंने आपके कंप्यूटर्स ले लिए हैं, मैंने ये जायदाद, ये प्रॉपर्टी ले ली है क्योंकि मेरा आपसे डिस्प्यूट है. The court is going to consider that as a conversion. Conversion क्या होती है कि आपने किसी की प्रॉपर्टी अपने नाम पे convert कर ली है. So of course, the next day we went to the court, we explained the things to the judge, and the judge issued an order saying, return all that property.
And did that person return all
No,
the property?
he didn't. So he's in violation. So now we have a court date set, and we're going to present the evidence to the judge.
Is this not also a crime? So this is not considered as a robbery?
So here's the interesting part. अगर आप किसी को गाड़ी की चाबी दे दें और वो गाड़ी लेके वापस नहीं आए, तो वो थेफ्ट नहीं है. वो एक सिविल प्रोसेस है कि जी आपने किसी को परमिशन दी थी और उसने वापस नहीं किया आपको. Now, if he stole your keys and took the car, that's a robbery. कुछ robberies की actually, we should do a segment on that. There's actually several types of robberies. There's theft, robberies, burglary, embezzlement. उन सब की अलग-अलग categories होती हैं, अलग-अलग punishments होती हैं. But if you give access, so he gave his partner or his employee access to the cars. The guy drove them off. Now there's a civil dispute.
So now he can sell those and get the money.
He can. But if my client can prove कि ये जो गाड़ियाँ आपने खरीदी थी, ये तुम्हारी थी नहीं बेचने के लिए, so he can actually win that lawsuit and get his attorney fees back and actually even ask for damages. Damages क्या होती
पर
हैं?
अगर उस बंदे के पास पैसे ही नहीं होंगे तो फिर क्या मिलेगा?
Exactly. यही की होती है कि if you're going to sue somebody, you want to make sure that person is able to return money back to you. But if you commit fraud, and this is fraud. I mean, taking somebody else's property and pretending it's yours and selling it, तो fraud ऐसा होता है कि वो bankruptcy में भी discharge नहीं होता है, right? Anyway, coming back to our topic. I know. I could see the look on your face. I'm like, okay, we're going to get back to the finer things in life. The bottom line is that, have things in writing. And if there is a dispute, go to the court and file the proper paperwork, the proper lawsuit. Get the proper injunctions. Injunctions ये है कि court action so that they don't take anything drastic. कुछ बेचना नहीं है, कुछ खरीदना नहीं है, कोई लोन नहीं लेना. Until the court can figure it out. Okay? और अगर आपके पास agreement नहीं होगा तो Texas के जो default laws है ना, कि जिस state में आप रहते हैं, वो kicking करेंगे and they're not very favorable. They don't protect everybody's interest. So whenever you form a corporation, doesn't matter if it's your brother or if it's anybody that's close, please have those partnership agreements.
All right, well, that's all great information, and I hope that our listeners have found it useful, or at least they're going to keep that in mind when making any future business decisions or getting into partnership with someone. And the best thing to do is to come and meet with the attorney in person and discuss all these different options and what can be done. The consultation for first-time clients is always free. Just remember to mention Fun Asia Radio when you call 214-453-2500. Again, that is 214-453-2500. And Attorney Bilal Khaliq will be back in our studio on Tuesday between 4 and 4:30. Thank you so much for your time, sir. And those of you who would like to get in touch with him online, you can log on to boldlegal.com. Thank you so much.